In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send queued emails in Gmail. This useful guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're able to manage your queued emails effectively. Whether you're a professional needing to ensure timely correspondence, or simply managing your personal emails more efficiently, this guide will provide you with all the needed insights. Let's begin by understanding what it means for an email to be in the queued state. Occasionally, when you send an email, it doesn't go out immediately due to various reasons, such as a weak internet connection or Google's servers being momentarily busy. Instead of the email being sent, it lands in a queue waiting to be sent out as soon as possible. The first step to manage these emails is to navigate to your Gmail inbox, open your preferred web browser, and log into your Gmail account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your inbox, surrounded by all your incoming emails. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you have multiple Gmail accounts. After ensuring you're in the right place, the next move involves scouring for the emails you've previously sent or attempted to send. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical menu. From this list, look for the Sent option and click on it. This action will reroute you to a different section of Gmail, showcasing all the emails you've sent out. However, the twist here is that this section also harbors your queued emails. These are emails that you've tried sending, but for one reason or another haven't made it to their intended recipient yet. Now, within the Sent email section, find the queued emails. Gmail does a great job at making these queued emails noticeable. They usually have a label or an indication that they haven't been sent successfully. Identifying them should be straightforward. Upon spotting these, you might wonder, how do I resend them? That's exactly what we're here to do next. Click on an email that's been queued to open it. Now, this is where action takes place. With the email open, look for options to resend it. In most cases, Gmail will provide you with a clear indication or a button to resend the email. Clicking on this will attempt to send the email again, but there's a strategic approach to better assure successful delivery this time. Before resending, it might be helpful to check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. If you've identified the connection as a likely culprit for the email being queued, fixing that issue should ideally precede the resending action. Gmail is quite intuitive and user-friendly, but the interface can sometimes be overwhelming. It's vital, especially when dealing with queued emails, to take a moment to ensure you're performing actions on the correct emails. A quick read-through or double-check can save you from potential mix-ups or errors. Furthermore, if resending the queued emails is part of your routine, or you find yourself dealing with queued emails frequently, it might be worthwhile to delve into the settings and see if there are any adjustments you can make to minimize this occurrence. Sometimes tweaking your send settings or even conducting a thorough check of your account to ensure everything is in order can be phenomenally helpful. Lastly, patience is key. Sometimes, even after resending, an email might take a moment to fully clear the queue and be successfully sent. Keeping an eye on the email for a confirmation of its delivery can provide peace of mind that your message has finally reached its destination. And that, dear viewers, is a concise step-by-step walkthrough on how to manage and send queued emails in Gmail. Remember, managing emails efficiently not only helps in maintaining effective communication, but also in keeping your digital workspace organized and clutter-free. We hope this video has been insightful and aids you in dealing with similar issues in the future. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and guides to navigate the digital realm with ease. Happy emailing.